Welcome to Hindi Learning Hub Official. Today's video is about UGC NET, a complete introduction for beginners. So let's start. First, let's understand what UGC NET actually is. UGC NET stands for University Grants Commission National Eligibility Test. It's a national level examination conducted by the National Testing Agency. The examination is mainly used to determine eligibility for assistant professor and junior research fellowship or JRF, subject to the applicable rules and eligibility conditions. So if your goal is teaching at the college or university level, or if you want to pursue research and aim for JRF, UGC NET can be an important examination for you. Now let's understand the basic exam pattern. UGC NET consists of two papers, paper 1 and paper 2. Paper 1 is common for all candidates. It tests areas related to teaching and research aptitude. Paper 2 is your subject specific paper. For example, if you are appearing for Hindi, your paper 2 will be Hindi. Both papers are conducted in the same examination sessions. There are 150 questions in total, 50 questions in paper 1 and 100 questions in paper 2. Together, the papers carry 300 marks. Your total of 3 hours for both papers. And remember, you don't have a separate time limit for paper 1 and paper 2. Now let's talk about the marking system, because this is something very beginner should understand before starting preparation. Each question carries 2 marks. So paper 1 is like 50 questions into 2 marks equal to 100 marks, and paper 2 is 100 questions into 2 marks equal to 200 marks. Total is equal to 300 marks. And one very important point, there is no negative marking for the incorrect answer. So make sure you understand the pattern properly before you start solving previous year questions and mock tests. Now, who can apply for UGC NET? Generally, candidates need to meet the required education qualifications such as master's degree or its equivalent with the prescribed percentage requirements. There are also specific rules regarding relaxation for certain categories, and eligibility can depend on your education qualification, subject, category, and the particular UGC NET notification. So please don't depend on only a random social media post when checking eligibility. Always check the latest official notification before applying. In this series, I will also explain UGC NET eligibility in detail, so make sure you follow the upcoming videos. Now let's come to the syllabus. Paper 1 is common to all UGC NET candidates. It has 10 units covering areas such as teaching aptitude, research aptitude, communication, mathematical reasoning and aptitude, logical reasoning, data interpretation, information and communication technology, people development and environment, and higher education system. Don't feel overwhelmed by seeing all the topics. In the next part, I will be explaining the complete paper 1 syllabus unit by unit and tell you what should focus on as a beginner. Now let's talk about paper 2 Hindi. Paper 2 is subject specific. So if you are preparing for Hindi, you need to study the UGC NET Hindi syllabus thoroughly. It includes different areas of Hindi literature, language, literary history, criticism, theory, and other prescribed topics. And because the Hindi syllabus is much bigger, I don't want to rush through everything in this video. Instead, I am going to make a separate detailed video where we will go through the paper 2 Hindi syllabus carefully and understand what you need to study. So if you are a complete beginner, this is your roadmap. First, understand the examination, then understand the eligibility and exam pattern. After that, understand paper 1 and paper 2 syllabus. Then we will move toward unit-wise preparation, important topics, previous year questions, and study strategies and revisions. I am planning this entire series especially for beginners who don't know where to start. If you are preparing for UGC NET, especially UGC NET Hindi, don't forget to subscribe to Hindi Learning Hub Official. I am going to upload the next part where we will discuss the detailed UGC NET syllabus including paper 1 and paper 2 Hindi. So subscribe, turn on the notification bell, and let's start this NET preparation journey together. All the best for your preparation, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.